You tell me what you can see.
I can see the washing machine turning.
What can you see in the washing machine?
Some clothes. Some sheets.
Sheets and clothes. Are they Mummy's clothes or Daddy's clothes?
Daddy's clothes. And Mummy's clothes and Aiden's clothes.
Oh, all our clothes. And what does the washing machine do to them?
Get them all wet. So we can't wear them.
And then what do we do?
Hang them outside.
And what happens?
And then they dry.
And then we can wear them again.
And when they're wet, we have to put them in the washing machine. And it's raining, we have to put on our raincoats. I think it's gonna rain today.
Is it going to rain today?
I think it is.
We'll have to wear our raincoats.
I think it is. Today. And then they'll get all wet again.